To save a Google document to files on iPhone 16e, what you can do is from the list of documents on your account, you can tap on these three dots next to the document name. And then over here we can scroll down to find print and then choose it. After that, tap on this share icon in the top right corner. And then over here we can scroll down to save to files. Then we can choose where we want to save it. You can go back to the iCloud Drive, for example, or to browse and so on and so forth. So choose where you want to save it and then press save in the top right corner. You can also save a document while it is open. So you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner of the document. And then over here go to share and export. And then once again choose print. And now it looks pretty much the same. So repeat all the same steps as before in order to save the document in files. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.